Candace Carter Thoughts to Go. In my third playlist, the artist was present. Finney's present. She's coming toward me. She loves to be in here. Well, I'll tell you what, Finney. Today is kind of a farewell. We have transformed the room slowly but surely. And I want to give you one last look. I'll move as slow as I can. As my mother used to say, there's nothing as sure as change. This studio was, and now is, it had another form. Now it's evolving into a new place because someone else will be using it. Someone else will bring in their new energy, aside from Finney. Someone else will see the books and all the things we have left. It's a wonderful privilege to change an environment slowly, to be allowed to have time for things to find their place or to say goodbye. A room is a diary of the person who lived here and worked here. A diary that is not changing. It was always changing. Now it's changing a little bit faster, not years, months. The artist leaves something. It's a heritage. Even if nothing stays forever, paintings stay a bit longer. Books, songs. This is where he worked. Spent hours and hours of his life. This is where my pain is also the pain of missing and wishing and knowing it's okay to see him through the glass of myself into the camera. No, is there really inanimacy? Is there really a situation where things are not alive? I don't think so. I think we leave a mark. We leave a mark. And we're thankful for that, for the marks the others have left us and leave us. Places carry energy. Beyond. Places hold importance for us. The paint, the pigments, the brushes. It's a new room, encased. No, it's an old room, encased in a new. It will change now, even more. So the way it is now, it will never be again, but it will never be again the day tomorrow. Nothing is ever the same, but it's been wonderful to see if it's possible to change so slowly that whispers of the one before remain.